All right. I'm here to embarrass myself again, as usual. Why not, right? And impromptu video. I'm doing this 14th, November 14th, 9:20 p.m. Eastern Time. The reason I'm saying this is because crypto is volatile. If you watch this next year, I doubt that. But again, the price will make a huge difference. What is happening here? ZDC? Was I wrong when I said people are dumping Bitcoin for all the privacy token? No, you don't know anything. Look, yeah, they dumped it. They're manipulating everything. Yo, let's look at this. Soon? Wait, what is it soon? Not so soon. Dash 62 dumped hard, again went up. Keeping all that aside, this is what's happening in the space. All right. And yes, Bitcoin is literally sitting at 95,600. Call this a falling knives. I don't know, man. And quick history. I have to tell you this. I really want to do this below 10 minutes, okay? So let me get this out real quick. I'm a little late today. Publishing a little late. I bought tiny amount of BTC. I played with the max I had was 3 BTC. I don't have anything close to that. Nothing close to that. Max I had 3 BTC. Back then I was playing with it. 2000, 16, 17-ish, basically. 18, 19, 20. And I bought in very early, in a way. Like, I played very early, right? So when you look at the price right now, 95,000, and I sold a couple of them. Proven, I done videos on it. I said why I did this anyways. So if you look at it right now, if I tell people buy in, yeah, it's not a bad time. Maybe you can buy the dip, and I'll give you the reasoning. You can buy a tiny amount and just go ride the wave. But it's not a Bitcoin. My point is I already lost interest in the crypto field, the whole industry. There's money to be made, millions and millions. A lot of us who are desperate just to buy a house, just a first home, get family, and all this thing. It just hits us hard. Well, maybe this is the only way we can do it. Yeah, I know. I feel you. Believe it or not, when I say a lot of people say they feel you, they don't. They fake it. I feel you. It's not easy. And it's getting harder and harder. It's going to get a lot tougher because of crypto and AI. You know why? Oh my god, AI is supposed to help us and all. Crypto is supposed to be like awesome for us. Yeah, I know. But guess what? The ones who has the money, the power, they win. They're gonna make crypto, and they already did. Wall Street made crypto their biatch. And then they're doing the same thing with AI. But again, keeping AI aside, I'm just talking about crypto itself. Stock market is pretty much idle right now. I'll do videos on that. But again, I'm doing this for those who are really new to this whole industry, trying to understand how this whole thing works. Okay, right now Bitcoin is at 95,000. I'm not selling. I still have a tiny amount. I'm not selling. Why would I sell? I bought it way before. I told you. That's why I had to tell you this for context. I'm not getting rid of it. But those of you who bought Bitcoin at literally at like 100,000, let's say 100,000 or 104,000 or above this price right now, should you sell? Without being a financial advisor of any sort, why do you get in the first place? Right? I mean, if you couldn't afford the loss, then I think you should stay away. If you got in like with the life savings, holy man, I'm not gonna comment on that. But if you just did what I always tell people, like, yeah, brand new with $100, $200, and max to $1,000, thousands, oh, you learn something. But other than that, I just can't say much. But yeah, I'm still holding some. I'm not selling just because it's dropping, because there's an institutional demand. And also, I told you, I bought it way before, early. I'm not buying any right now. I have my debt to pay. I have other obligations. Once I fill them up, like fulfill those, then I will focus on accumulating a little more BTC. Because there's no other fucking, excuse me, my word, but there's no other reason for me to accumulate any other ding dong tokens, which doesn't pay my bills or saves me from some other, other feature issues. Well, none. Make sense? I had to do this for all the Gen Zs, you 25 years, 27, 28, 30, 40, 50 boomers, even boomers, especially. If you've been in crypto and all these, if you're not, this is all for you. All right? I really hope you understand where I'm going with this. Like, yeah, you didn't say anything. In simple words, just avoid crypto if I didn't say anything. If you didn't learn anything from this video, avoid crypto. You lose money. Okay? There's a difference between blockchain and crypto. Wait, how's the difference? What is blockchain? Crypto runs on blockchain. Yeah, but what are crypto? You can tokenize anything. Yeah, what can you tokenize? So what am I buying? What is Bitcoin? Keep Bitcoin aside. What is Ethereum? Oh, a lot of stable coins are built on Ethereum. Yeah, but then I'm buying all these founders are finding all these ding dong tokens. I'm buying NFTs. What happened to those? Don't worry about that. They're gone. I hope somebody will pump them back someday. But again, they're gone. That's, yeah, crypto. Blockchain itself, the technology is pretty brilliant. But not sure I can imagine anybody utilizing it the right way. Because now it's just like a hunger, survival mode. It's like you see the Predator movie. Everybody wants to be. And I'm doing this video for my people, man. My people. Retail. Anybody making anywhere from 1 million to less, this video is for you. We have to catch up. We have to be the next level. We have to together. I'm not saying like bro. In the upcoming, I can't promise anything right now. I have more battles to fight. Upcoming days, I'll discuss a lot of these things. Stay tuned. I'm doing this impromptu. My use token is like dumping hardcore right now. And I'm thinking, you know what? I'm gonna put another $1,000 in it just for the sake of it. It's manipulated. And I'm gonna leave you with this. All right? After the end game, Bitcoin will be remembered as absolute dumbest. No, I don't agree with this. Maybe. Who knows? Again, I told you I'm a critique. I won't be surprised. Yeah. And ignore the noise. We are back to the point where the top is in has become consensus. Extreme fear, sentiment readings have become a daily occurrence, and large cap technology stocks are down 10-20% after running stocks, not crypto stocks. These are all hallmark signs of technical correction or broader uptrend. Zoom out and capitalize on periods of emotional weakness in price. The fundamentals remain strong for asset owners. Remember, what is asset and what is liability? We shall discuss in the upcoming days, all right? I'm just showing you this because extreme fear levels hit a new low. The S&P 500 was quite literally at record high 11 trading days ago. Emotional selling is at the best buying opportunity. Yes, you're right. You want to like be me, buy fat coin and useless? No. Please, silly. Don't do that. Don't do that. Not now. Yeah, I mean, if you have insider knowledge, maybe. But other than that, don't do that. But yeah, you see some of the mining stocks, gold mining, silver mining stocks. I'm betting on those things. I'm investing, not betting. Betting is haram. I try not to bet or gamble, but life has making everybody a gambler, man. Force everyone to become a gambler, and that made them put them in a position they're fighting against their own families, man. People know morals and stuff. I get it. No surprise, but but if I'm still hopeful. I have some principles I follow, so who cares about the rest, right? Just letting you know, honestly, all right, real talk. Bitcoin right now is at, and then I'm gonna end this right now. Where is this? BTC. Look at this. The falling knife. That's what I call it. And this is not the first time I'm calling this. Watch my several videos back, a month back, 3 months back, and then come and talk about this. No surprise. And then you have all these people like blah blah blah. Yeah, you should do this or do that. Buy if you bought Amazon. Yeah, maybe buy some of these courses. If you don't understand crypto and all those, stay away from now. 100%. Avoid gambling because you're gonna lose most. All right. I'll do a more polished video in the upcoming days. More or less Monday, Saturday. Tomorrow I'll have a video, and as well as Sunday. So stay tuned. All right. Should you buy Bitcoin right now? if you have zero BTC, zero, like no holding, try getting in the market, just buying $100 worth. That's it. That's all I can tell you. I can't tell you that's gonna make you rich. What can make you rich? We'll discuss that if you stick around long enough. All right. Peace for now. I'm out.